Sheena's then boyfriend Rahul Mukherjee received 5 messages from Sheena's mobile sent by Indrani post the killing. India Today has accessed those messages. The messages alleged sent by Indrani call off the relationship with Rahul. One of them reads, quote, "It's not that I don't care about your feelings, but things haven't remained the same. For this, we both have to be blamed. Going our separate ways is the only way out now." Mustafa has more details about this exchange, which of course Indrani did with Rahul Mukherjee. Mustafa, it's over to you. Can you get us more information on those messages, please?
So the Khar police has come forward with some evidence suggesting that Indrani was operating Sheena Bora's phone after her murder, and in that she was attending calls from other people, and she was impersonating as Sheena and then talking to them. But Rahul Mukherjee was one person whose call Indrani never took. She only spoke to her on messages, and those were the messages which we have mentioned previously also, that we should part ways. I understand, we should cordially part ways. These were the messages which Rahul was receiving from Sheena's mobile phone, and when he tried to call that number, no one was picking her call. So that's what the first thing after which Rahul had approached police to register missing complaint, because he seemed to be doubtful about the communication which was going on. But the Khar police station and Worli police station didn't register a complaint at that point of time. Secondly, also it has come forward that Indrani has sent emails which are the resignation letter to Metro 1 Mumbai, and also terminating the leave and license agreement where Sheena Bora was staying. So all these things she has done after the alleged murder took place, but Indrani has not confessed to all these things as of now. This is what the evidence police found after taking her custody, and they produced it in court yesterday. Now basically at Khar police station there is an interrogation going on with Shyam Rai and Sanjeev Khanna to get more such details, so that they can prove in some ways that Indrani was the one who was using the phone after 24th of April 2012, and she had done some kind of forgery with some other accused,
right,
who had forged that resignation letter and signed in Sheena's thing. So basically those investigations are going on as of now, and forensic results are also expected to come in soon. So this police hopes that all these factors will help them to corner Indrani, saying that why, if she has nothing to do with Sheena's murder case, and she believes that she is in US, so why was she using her phone and why the documents were forged. So this is all a game plan of Mumbai police to corner Indrani with such evidences, so that they can seek more custody or either get at least a confession from Indrani as to what was the motive behind this murder.
All right, appreciate you joining us.